Hi, I'm Alex and I paint tiny things. This channel is largely about miniature painting, creative improvement and understanding the hobby a little bit more deeply. It's less how to paint and more why do we paint. Less paint set, more mindset. Some videos are practical, some are analytical, some are simply an excuse to admire some incredible paint jobs and figure out why they work or what they can teach us. I do cover the occasional painting technique, toolset or product review, but I'm more interested in artistic growth, the psychology of creativity, how to improve and why some things work better than others. I'm trying to explore the hobby with curiosity rather than certainty, and being a display painter, I'm really more interested in painting, creativity and improvement than I am in the lore, gaming or what the latest Warhammer box has got in it. If you want to improve your painting mindset, think more clearly about your work and enjoy the hobby without taking it too seriously, then you could do a lot worse in joining me on this journey. I read every comment my videos get. If you've got something thoughtful to add, I genuinely love to hear it. If you're getting angry about a middle-aged Scotsman discussing toy soldiers on the internet, then there are probably bigger issues at play. Now, go finish something.